teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you.
La 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 la, life is wonderful. La 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 la, life goes full circle.
Okay, it's now 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Happy Lolo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday. Hello, Tatay. Happy birthday. Gugulo na. Eto, isa-isa daw silang babati sa'yo. Kahit na malayo kami, naaalala ka namin sa iyong birthday.
Si Mama na
Kaya lang, hindi ako makita. Ayan.
Abay, ikaw ang umuro. Ayan na.
Tayo.
Ayan. Mama, lumayo ka, nagtatago ka na. Ikaw nga dapat na. Ayan. Say, happy birthday.
Sana. Sige lang. Sana maging masaya ka, Tatay, sa iyong birthday. At lagi ka sanang huwag ka sanang magkakasakit. Kasi pupunta ka pa dito, tatamnan mo pa ng halaman yung likuran namin. Kaya dapat, pag naayos ko yon kayo ni Ina, pupunta dito. O, babati daw si Jason, tsaka si BA, tsaka si Teresa, tsaka si Ren. Si Jenica, bukas na natutulog pa. Happy birthday, Tatay. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Saan ba ako? Hello. Happy birthday, Lolo. Bumabata ka na. Hindi pa patanda. O, Jason naman.
Nagpasawali ka. Lolo! Happy birthday!
May apo ka na ulit sa isa pa. Ito ang asawa ko.
Okay, kita pa tayo dyan.
No, you have to come here.
Punta ako dyan.
Lolo. Here's Teresa.
Sa may asawa ko,
Ganda, ano?
maganda pa ako dyan.
Maganda.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Oh, this Teresa's turn. You say, happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday. I don't like cameras.
Sabi ka, gamit ka na.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday po. Sana po masaya po yung birthday nyo. Marami po pong birthday to come.
Parang makungupan na eh.
O, yan, sasayaw
Ayan
na
na.
rin. Tsaka si
Sasayaw na
Jason.
si Jason. Pasa rin. Ayan. Music. Asan yung music natin? Yung ano?
Hanggang sa dulo ng...
Hanap dito si Loloy.
Edit na lang.
Hello! Happy birthday, Lolo Danny! Happy birthday, Lolo!
Happy birthday. Okay.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Say happy birthday!
Say happy birthday. Huh?
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Bye! No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from.
Yan, pag ganyan, pwede na.
Okay na.
Pabili lang. Okay na? Yun na pa. Hi, Tay! Happy birthday! Thank you sa pagpapalaki mo sa amin. Thank you sa inyo ni Inang dahil kung hindi sa inyo, hindi kami makakarating sa kung nasaan kami ngayon. So kung ano man yung meron kami ngayon, bahagi kayo noon. Maraming salamat. At happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yahoo!
The not so happy birthday song. The unhappy birthday song. Go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tay. Happy 70th birthday. See you soon. Pupunta po kami dyan. Tutugtugan kayo ni Zoe uli ng mas malala.
Live.
Happy birthday.
Live! So,
Live. Solo.
Lolo, happy birthday, Lolo.
Go. Daan.
Pause.
Unhappy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Go.
And cut.
Sige pa, isa pa.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Ate, greet! Greet!
I said happy birthday, Lolo, Daddy.
You greet, Daddy, you greet. You wave.
What?
Okay.
Hi, Lolo. Happy birthday po. Wala po ako dyan kasi may pasok po ako. Ito, gift ko sa'yo. Ako gumawa nito. We love you. Bye.
That my love will pull me through thanks to you.
Hi Lola, Danny, how are you? It's Steve in Sydney, Australia. I'd just like to say a very happy birthday to you. You must make your good wife and your 4 kids very, very happy. And I believe you're in construction too. I heard very hard worker, so and done very good for yourself. Well, congratulations to that. You've made a lot of good stories for a lot of your children for them to move on with. And just want to wish you well with your good health. I hope it remains. And nothing more to say much, but arrivederci, g'day mate, all that sort of stuff. Have a good day. Happy birthday. Bye.
Dad! Dad!